Welcome everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid, Verbs. It's a big subject in spoken Egyptian. And if you want to know something about the verbs in the present tense and also in the past tense, I have collected 10 essential verbs, daily use verbs, in both present and past tense with illustrating phrases. So let's start with the first verb. Our first verb here is يروح. And يروح, it means to go. The past tense of يروح is راح. So يروح is the present tense and راح is the past tense. And I have a phrase for each tense. When I say, for example, أنا بروح الشغل كل يوم. أنا بروح الشغل كل يوم. I go to work every day. Okay? We can also say in the past tense هو راح الشغل امبارح. هو راح الشغل امبارح. So the conjugation with هو is راح and the conjugation with I in the present is بروح. أنا بروح. This is the be imperfect tense. So أنا بروح الشغل كل يوم. هو راح الشغل امبارح. The second verb is to love. يحب. To love. يحب. And the past tense is حب. Okay? So, when I say, for example, أنت بتحب إيه? أنت بتحب إيه? What do you like or what do you love? So, يحب here, it means like or love. So, both have the meaning of يحب in Arabic and in spoken Egyptian. When I say it in the past tense, I say حب. And I have a small example. هي حبت مصر. هي حبت مصر. She loved Egypt. So حبت here, the conjugation with يحب or with حب, the conjugation with she, with the verb حب is حبت. حبت. هي حبت مصر. I give all the conjugations and all the details about it in my accelerator course. You can check the description box for the link to know the features about this course. Third verb is يكون. يكون. And the past tense is كان. يكون is to be. To be. And كان was. The past of the verb to be. So when I say يكون, for example, when I use يكون, I don't use it in the present tense in spoken Egyptian, but I use it in other tenses, in the future and in the past. For example, in the future, when I say أنا هكون هنا بكرة. أنا هكون هنا بكرة. I will be here tomorrow. I will be here tomorrow. And a phrase for can with the conjugation with the pronoun he or هو, we say هو كان. This is the conjugation with هو, with he. هو كان هنا امبارح. He was here yesterday. هو كان هنا امبارح. So we have this verb يكون and its past كان. To be. يعمل is to do. To do. And عمل, he did or did. The past tense of يعمل. Do and did. So when I say, for example, أنت بتعمل إيه هنا? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? أنت بتعمل إيه هنا? Here I use the be imperfect tense. And the be imperfect tense, you can know about it in the video above. You can see the link above the screen. أنت بتعمل إيه هنا? What are you doing here? And we can also have a small example for the past tense with she. Okay, she هي عملت. هي عملت ايه? What did she do? هي عملت ايه؟ بتكلم or يتكلم, and its past tense اتكلم is to talk. Okay, talk. So or speak as well. So when I say, for example, أنت بتتكلم عربي? Do you speak Arabic? أنت بتتكلم عربي. I added the be here because that is the be imperfect tense used for the fact and for the present continuous as well. So أنت بتتكلم عربي. Do you speak Arabic? Or I can say, for example, another phrase for اتكلم, which is أنت اتكلمت امبارح. Did you talk yesterday? And when I say أنت اتكلمت امبارح, I can mean, for example, a phone call. Did you call me yesterday? So أنت اتكلمت امبارح. أنت اتكلمت امبارح. Here the conjugation with you male is اتكلمت. أنت اتكلمت. You male. أنت اتكلمت امبارح. يكتب. To write. يكتب to write. And the past tense is كتب. يكتب and كتب. So when we say, for example, أنا بكتب إيميل دلوقتي. أنا بكتب إيميل دلوقتي. I am writing an email now. I'm writing an email now. أنا بكتب إيميل دلوقتي. A phrase for كتب, the past tense, I can use, for example, أنا كتبت كل حاجة. I wrote everything. I wrote. أنا كتبت. Here we have كتب, which is the past tense, and we have this تاء, additional تاء with I, which is the conjugation with I. أنا كتبت كل حاجة. Everything. أنا كتبت كل حاجة. The verb يسافر, it means to travel, and its past tense is سافر. So when I say, for example, أنا بسافر كتير, it means I travel a lot. بسافر كتير. Here again the be imperfect tense. Or if I want to say a phrase with the past tense, I can say this question. أنت سافرتي أمريكا وأنت صغيرة? Did you travel to USA when you were little or when you were young? So أنت سافرتي. أنت سافرتي. Here you, female, is أنت. This is a pronoun. And the conjugation with this, with the past tense, is سافرتي. سافرتي. أنت سافرتي أمريكا وأنت صغيرة when you were young or little. Okay, أنت سافرتي أمريكا وأنت صغيرة. ياكل. ياكل. To eat. The past tense is كل or أكل. Both are correct. We use both. كل, ate, or أكل, ate. So when I say it in a phrase, أنا باكل كتير. I eat a lot. I eat a lot. أنا باكل كتير. Or هو كل كتير. Or هو أكل كتير. Both are correct. هو كل كتير. هو أكل كتير. So you are free to choose whatever version you like. The verb to drink is يشرب. And its past is شرب. So when I say, for example, أنا عايز أشرب, I want to drink. Here أنا عايز, it means I want, and the أشرب is the verb in its present, simple present, not the be imperfect, because it came after عايز. It came after a second verb. It came after a helping verb, which is عايز, like a modal verb. Okay, so أنا عايز أشرب, I want to drink. In the past tense, when I say هي شربت عصير, for example, she drank juice. She drank juice. هي شربت عصير. Here شرب is the past tense, and the conjugation with she is شربت. So أنا عايز أشرب, هي شربت عصير. يعرف, to know, and the past tense is عرف, knew. So when I say it in a phrase, for example, أنا أعرفه من زمان, I know him for a long time. For a long time. I أعرفه من زمان. Okay, for a long time. أنا أعرفه. So أنا أعرف, this is a conjugation with أنا. أنا أعرف, the verb يعرف. This is a pronoun, him. I know him. أعرفه من زمان. Okay. Another phrase for the past tense is أنا خلاص عرفت. I already knew. Okay, or I have already known. أنا خلاص عرفت. أنا خلاص عرفت. So عرفت here is a conjugation with I. أنا عرفت. I knew. أنا عرفت. I hope that you knew now some of the important verbs in spoken Egyptian, and I'm sure you can hear all these verbs when you are watching some series or movies in spoken Egyptian, or of course in the daily conversation. If you have any question about any of these verbs, you can write me a comment below. Don't forget to enroll in my Egyptian 101 free course and download its free ebook. It's completely free. It's the fundamental knowledge that you need to build for effective spoken Egyptian learning. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in a future episode.